Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you're new here, my name is Ivy Forma. I make videos occasionally for YouTube. I'm just kidding. I am a social media influencer. I create content for the media, you know. And I'm also the founder of the Ivy Mark, which is a fashion brand, but that's besides the point today. As you can tell from this video, from the title of this video, this is going to be a hair review. And if you know me, you know, you can always trust me to bring the best to you, okay? Now, I haven't tried this wig on before. I am just going to do the whole unboxing, and we're going to do everything together, okay? So this is a me and you thing. We're in this together. But from the picture they sent me, the hair seems like a very gorgeous, very beautiful hair, and it comes styled. Why am I talking too much? Let's just, you know, jump right in and see what it is. So this video is sponsored by WESTKISS hair. And I think this is the first time I'm going to be trying WESTKISS. I don't think I've ever tried WESTKISS before. Let's see what they sent to me. To us. To me. To us. To me. To us. Whatever. So let's just see what they sent. So, this is the wig. But, we're going to open that one last. So the first thing here is a HD wig cap. This is an invisible HD wig cap. And we have this, I think this is a bonnet. Guys, excuse my chapped nails. I really didn't want to do this video with such weird looking nails, but I didn't have the time to do my nails. So let's just pretend my nails are beautiful. Yeah. So, ooh, okay. This is the first bonnet I'm having in this color. Seems stretchy, but not too stretchy. Oh, but this is nice. It's not even branded. It's actually really nice. It's silk bonnet. What else do we have in here? The WESTKISS melting band, of course. You know. Guys, you can always trust me with the best reviews, with the best hair reviews, in fact with the best reviews in general. And for some reason, I feel like, I don't know, but the best brands keep reaching out to me. I don't know why I have so much faith in this brand. I've not even tried this brand before, but like, I just have a feeling that it's gonna be, you know, gang gang. Okay, so next up we have this. This is the edges brush. Yeah, this. And then we have the lashes from WESTKISS. If you guys hear any buzzing noise, it's my light. I don't know, somehow this light just sounds like a generator. Why can't you just be quiet like your mates? Anywho, what else do we have? We have this, and I'm not quite sure what this is. Oh, do you know, I think this is that, what's it called? That thing that they used to like glue. I don't know what it's called, honestly, but I think I know what it is. And I might be right. Yeah, like the double-sided tape. Yeah, that they used to like glue your wigs. That they used to glue wigs down. Double-sided tape. I've not tried it before anyways, and I don't know if I'll be trying it, but like, at least I have this just in case. Thank Jesus. All right, so that's all that comes with the wig, or that's all that came with my wig. Yeah, let's just see what is in this. Oh. Okay. Let me just take it out of the net, you know. So this is, oh my god, oh my god. This is so pretty. And I love the color too, like so nice on my skin tone. If I'm looking down, just know I'm looking at my laptop because my laptop is mirroring my screen because I cannot see my camera because I'm filming with my back camera. Yeah. So this is the wig. Focus please. Oh my days, this is so beautiful. Look at the lace. Come on. Woo, and it's this hair is so soft. I am not kidding. Like, see how easily my hand brushes through the wig. Oh my days. This is so beautiful. And it comes like pre-styled, pre-plucked, pre-cut, all of that. Like, this hair literally takes less than a minute to throw it on. All you have to do is just like powder the lace, put it on, and you're good to go. I don't even know how I'm going to make this video lengthy, honestly, because like I don't know what to do. But see, I mean, because everything is done already, I literally have to do nothing. I mean, they even use the hot comb to like, you know, mezilla the wig. If you understand what I'm saying. Like, they use the hot comb to flatten out the edges and everything. So it is already pretty much styled. I don't think I even need to do much. So this is what it looks like on my skin. So this is what it looks like on my skin. This is crazy, crazy amazing. Look at this hair. This is super gorgeous. All I have to do is powder the lace, and to be honest, I don't even need to powder the lace because if I use my melting spray, that's all. That's like that's all. What? Okay, so we're just gonna powder the lace together. So you know the drill, and if you don't, well, I'm just going to use my compact powder. You can use your foundation, you can use whatever matches your skin tone, and not just your skin tone, but the shade of skin on your forehead, right? Because I strongly believe that, especially Black women, we have different tones on our faces, right? So the color of your skin below, the color of your skin under your eyes might not be the same thing as the color of your skin on your forehead, if you know what I mean. So make sure you pick a powder. So make sure you pick a powder shade that matches the color of your forehead. Important, very important. So I am just going to, you know, put powder all over the lace just so that it blends in with my skin more. So this is how it looks inside. Let me just show you the description of the wig. It has some, you know, what do I call this? Tooth combs. Yeah, but it has this thing to like hold onto your braids inside so that your wig doesn't slip off, you know. So yeah, it has it on 3 sides here and on the 2 sides here. So yeah, here, here, and at the back. And then it also has this strap, this adjustable strap. Damn. Okay, this is the first time I'm actually trying this on. And I'm loving it. Oh my god, see the color of my skin. Okay. It's evident to me that this wig is going nowhere. This wig is not moving. Like, this wig is not going anywhere. This wig is secured, like 100%. 100% secured. All I'm going to do right now is to just melt this lace. Bear in mind that a melting spray is not an adhesive. It's not necessarily an adhesive, right? But the melting spray helps you to melt the lace into your skin. It helps you to just blend the lace into your skin. And it also holds the lace to your skin, so it's, you know, secures the lace down, but it's not necessarily like an adhesive or a glue, right? And it comes off with just water, so it's safe for your hair and safe for your hairline. So I'm just going to spritz this on my finger and then place it all over the lace, and you really don't have to use too much, to be honest. I hope you can see what it looks like already. Like, where is the damn lace? Where is the damn lace? I'm just going to use the melting band over the lace just so that it melts very well, like it melts properly into the skin. Okay, students. And now that's literally all I have to do. So you just wait for like the melting spray to dry down. Once the melting spray dries down, that's it. Can you see how easy this was to throw on? Like, I don't even need to comb the hair. I don't even need to do anything. Oh my god. Now for maintenance, all I need is just water and conditioner. And if you want to like be extra, you can just apply mousse to define your curls. But I don't think these curls really need so much defining. They're pretty much defined on their own. So I'm just going to spray. And now my conditioner, I'm just going to take it this way, please, I beg, because the thing don't almost finish. So bear with me, thank you. And I'm honestly not just saying this because this video is sponsored by WESTKISS, but if I'm being honest, if I'm giving an honest review, I will rate this hair a 10 out of 10, and I'm not capping. So this is how much hair came off, and it's pretty common for curly wigs. You always get shedding, but you shouldn't have too much shedding, right? This is just what came off, and I think it's pretty much decent. So just gonna comb through. Come on. The softness of this hair gets me every time, because what? So I'm just gonna fluff it out and make it a bit fuller. You know? Huh. And if you don't understand what I said, like, that's Igbo. I just want it to like be full. Now this is simply to show you how fluffy this hair can get, how full this hair can get. And this hair is my new best friend. And if you're my friend, or if you're like a family member and you're watching this video, no, I am not gonna give you this wig. Sorry, thank you. This is my best friend right now. And lastly, I'm just gonna spritz the wig with my hair fragrance. It's almost finished. Everything is almost finished, but please, it's real life, it happens. Thank you. I love the way this thing smells. This is being French. Yeah, being French. Let me see it. Being French. Yeah. And I just love the way it smells. It smells so fresh and juicy. No, not fresh and juicy, but it smells so fresh and clean. So yeah, let me just take off this. I'm just gonna cry at this point. Okay. Please tell me when you see the lace. Tell me when you see the lace. Like, come on. Alright, thank you so much, WESTKISS. Thank you so much. So I'm just going to be leaving like all the descriptions about this hair on the screen and in the description box, so in case you want to order this hair. And definitely the link to this hair is going to be in my description box, so all you need to do is click the link. It takes you straight to the site and you order your own, because if I saw this wig on someone else, or if I saw this wig on someone else's page or channel, I would definitely cop me one of these. Without speaking further, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one, because there will definitely be a next one. Okay. Bye guys.